Sorry, didn't mean to bang that. All right. I got a ding on my cell phone. It said that USGS has a preliminary 5.4. Right now, USGS and EMSC, but EMSC's got it at a different depth. All right, USGS says it is a 5.4 near Aleutian Islands, 5 miles southeast of Alt Station, okay? Alaska, 22 miles in depth. I'm going to pull up EMSC since these are right now the only two earthquake centers with it. This earthquake took place 15 minutes ago. All right. EMSC has got it at a 5.2. They've got it at a 5.2 saying near islands, Aleutian Islands. All right, they've got it at 48 kilometers. Let me pull up and see if anybody else has posted this earthquake. Here we go. All right, GFZ has got it at a 5.2. Australia's got it at, well, Australia doesn't count right now. They still got it at 0. They have not actually confirmed this. GFC's got it at a 5.2 near the Aleutian Islands, Alaska. EMSC has got it at a 5.2. USGS still has it. Let me refresh this. USGS just has it at a 5.4, 22 miles in depth. Let me pull up EMSC, show this, and then we're going to refresh this screen just to make sure, okay? Aleutian, Alt Station, Alaska, all right? And that is 5 miles southeast of Alt Station, Alaska. All right, guys, I am going to refresh this, so give me a second. Let me refresh. They still got it at 5.4, guys. All right? 5.4. They've got it near islands, Aleutian Islands, Alaska region, 5 miles southeast of Alt Station. Sorry, I keep wanting to say islands, but it's Alt Station, Alaska, 22 miles in depth. There was no tsunami. That's what triggered me to what was going on first. I get a tsunami thing here. It says Tsunami Information Center 5.4, southeast Alt Islands, Alaska. It says tsunami not expected, okay? Now, the closest volcano to this earthquake is in green. It is 114 miles away. I'm waiting for right now because it's only been now 20 minutes, 16 minutes. Let me go ahead and refresh this. Refresh. It's 17 minutes now. I started this broadcast 3 minutes and 20 seconds ago. All right, so they still have it at a 5.4. I'm going over to disaster alert. All right, we're going to open that up just by a slim chance it's there, but I don't know, guys. USGS was the first to post this, all right? Let me see if it's there. I don't think it is there. Holy cow. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. If they change it, then I'll update it with no problem. All right, so let me go ahead and copy this. Copy. It says an earthquake magnitude 5.4 to depth of 22.3 miles has occurred 8 kilometers southeast of Alt Station, Alaska, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, NEIC, of the USGS. Preliminary. Remember, preliminary, because now they have the option to downgrade this. So hang on 1 second here. Let me put this into the notes for you. Disaster alert. All right, so now it's up on disaster alert as by USGS. Since I said USGS was the very first to post this earthquake, Let me put EMSC into these notes. I'm going to go back and get GFZ. All right. 5.2. Now I'm going to refresh EMSC and see what they say. See if they've upgraded or downgraded. So hang on 1 second. And we're going to take this and close it. And then we're going to refresh it. Come on, refresh. Guys, they still got it at 5.2. Now they've upped the kilometers. Now it is clear 60 kilometers. They now have it at 37 miles in depth. Hey, Joanne, how are you, sweetie? You're more than welcome. All right, they've got it at 37 miles in depth. Now we're going to go check the all-inclusive one that shows who's saying what and when they're saying it. Let's go to GFZ if they have it. Information, please. Get rid of the map. Don't need it. They have not got GFZ up here as of yet, okay? But let me show you where the earthquake was. As soon as they post all these earthquake centers, will be cool, okay? As you can see, the dot right here, right down the middle of nowhere near Alt Station, all right? Let me see the closest volcano. All right, looks like the closest volcano is in black code, and that means it's extinct. The other closest volcano would be about right next to it, and that's the one they're probably talking about. It is in green, all right? It was 100 and that's what I'm waiting for. Thank you. What do we got? Bingo! EMSC just upgraded. I knew they would. Okay, so let me go ahead and post that in there and refresh EMSC. Took them a while. Upgraded after USGS post. Okay, put the tweet in there for you. It's amazing how they conform. Hang on, let me get the tweet, and then I'm going to go upgrade, take a look, update it again, and see if just by a slim chance they put it up yet. We will see. Let me go to EMSC. I'm going to click on EMSC right now and refresh it. Refresh. No, I don't want that. I want refresh. And there she sits, guys. All right, 5.4. Now right in tune with USGS. All right. Let's see if they change. And they changed the depth too. I just gave you the depth. The depth was, they had it the depth at 37 miles. Guess what they've got it at now? 3.1 miles in depth. A little weird, don't you think? All right, let me go see what the depth is again on the USGS, see if they've upgraded it or downgraded the depth, I should say. Let me go refresh. Okay. Like I say, there is no tsunami warning for this earthquake. All right. Let me go to USGS. Where are you hiding? There you are. And guess what, guys? USGS downgraded the depth too, only they've got it at 7 miles in depth, okay? So I guess this is no longer a preliminary, and that would be, okay, that's saying there is no tsunami warning. Okay, hang on. Just pulling, they have a tsunami warning. Hang on. If there is or isn't, I just got to make sure. Opening it up. Hang on here. All right, what do we got? Open sesame. There you go. All right. A preliminary magnitude 5.4 kilometers. The event. No, that's not it. That can't be it. Oh, yes, it is. All right. It says no tsunami is expected. Repeat, no tsunami is expected. Copying and pasting this for you guys. Copy. So you'll have it also. All right. So they're just telling us again what I told you earlier. Disaster alert. And no tsunami warnings. All right. So this takes care of that. They also have it up on disaster alert. Come on. Go up, please. Tsunami information. Hey, Shannon, how are you, sweetie? Oops, got to stop talking while I'm doing this. All right. Everything is the way it is now. I'm trying to get a hold of the GFC. They've got it at a 5.2. Let's see if they've actually got it up there now, okay? Thank you. There's GFC. We're going to pull up GFC. That'll give you 3 earthquake center views instead of just the 2, all right? Let me show you what they have. I don't know. Can you guys see this? This is GFC. They've got it at a 5.2, at 6.2. Well, let me enlarge that just a hair more. There you go. They've got it at a 5.2 at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. That is near islands, Aleutian Islands, region, Alaska. Alt station. All right. I don't know why they've got it at a 5.2, but we're going to copy it. You will get it. And wow. I'm not going to put Australia up, guys, because they still got it at 0 miles in depth. They have not confirmed this yet. Why would they not confirm it? All right, so GFZ, Earthquake Center, and paste. And then we're going to go back and just, you know me. That's the wrong link. Come on, stop, delete. Let's go back and get it. Copy. Now, according to GFC, this is still a preliminary. Also, it has only been seen by a computer, not by a person. Okay? I love the way they do that, though. Maybe if they let the computers do all of it, we'd have one earthquake and everybody would agree. Save. And we'll go through. I'm just saving this now, so I've got it. All right. Let's go to this again. Let me refresh. We don't need you anymore. Definitely don't need you. We don't need that anymore. Don't need the calculator anymore. Let's go to USGS and refresh USGS. Refresh, please. Thank you. All right, USGS, like I said, change the kilometers. All right. They still have it at a 5.4. They now have it 15 miles northeast of Alt Station. And they've got it at 7 miles in depth. So they took the 22 miles in depth and it went away. And they also brought it closer to Alt Station. All right. Now we're going to go to EMSC. And we're going to refresh them. Refresh, please. Thank you. All right. EMSC has it at a 5.4 near islands of Aleutian Islands. All right. They have it at 5.5 kilometers, which is 3.1 miles in depth. All right. All right. And like I just showed you, 5.2 on the GFC, but it was computer generated, and they've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. No tsunami warning for this earthquake. I can now get rid of you guys. You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. Now let's go ahead and let you know what we have. The closest volcano. An earthquake of a 4.0 or higher just occurred. Check it out. Sorry, guys. 4.0. That's Mexico. Okay. The closest volcano to this earthquake is 114 miles. I'm going to go check now and see if it's black, which is dormant, or if it is green and it is just hang on, let me go to it, see information. I can't talk and chew gum at the same time, guys. There's the earthquake. The earthquake is green. All right. It is now normal or dormant. All right. So you'll know that it is green, normal, or dormant. They were not talking about the extinct one that was close to it. So they are talking about the dormant one. So the earthquake is green. Let me put that in here. I mean, the volcano is green. Let me put that in here so you guys will have it. Code green, normal, dormant. All right. That's what we have, guys. Who we got here? Holy Hummer. Hi, guys. Shannon, hi. Ha ha ha, Rose. Rub your belly and tap on your head. I can't do it. Sorry. Won't do it. Not on air. No, 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 no. All right. So USGS 5.4 now has it at 7 miles in depth. EMSC has got it at 6.2 miles in depth. You're silly. 7.5, so 7 miles in depth. EMSC has got it at, come on, I'm just making sure, guys, they're keeping it where they said they were. EMSC has it at 3.1 miles in depth, all right? It's called Near Islands, Aleutian Islands region, all right? Now, USGS has got it now 15 miles northeast of Alt Station, Alaska, all right? No tsunami warning. 2 thumbs up for you. I've got 4 people in here. Just 2 thumbs up for me? Oh, I'm sad. All right, guys. That's what we've got. Please be careful out there. I'm going to go ahead. Everybody seems to be settling in on the 5.4, at least USGS and EMSC and Disaster Alert. Disaster Alert app. None active near it, Shannon. No. They're all green and dormant. I will take a wider look if you like. What's that? That's disaster alert telling me again. Okay, we don't need that, so let me go ahead and take a wider look and see if there's anything close to it. So hang on. Close. Open map. That's active. They've got 1 active, red, 2 reds, but that's nowhere near the earthquake. Let's see if I can get a location on that. That's in Russia, though. I don't know if you guys can see this. See if I can shrink it down enough for you to see. Okay, the earthquake, I don't know, come on, was right here. And that's what they're talking about is erupting is all the way over here. It is on a fault line. I don't know if you guys can see the fault line. It's very faint, but it is white. Ah. You ever had one of those days, guys? Cancel. Come on, shrink it down. They want to see. Okay, now closest to, they've also got a yellow one. All right, that means there has been activity in there. And there's a red one also down on this area. Several yellow ones, I should say. There's a yellow, there's a yellow, there's a yellow, and there's a red. It's all on the fault, okay? So you guys, I just gave you the one they said. Yeah, those are on the east coast of the volcanoes are. Yes, I know what you meant, sweetie. All right, that's what we have, guys. I'm keeping an eye on it. I've got all the red earthquakes marked, so I get an alarm if they go off. You can do that in that app. There, like I said, no tsunami warning. You'll have the coordinates for this earthquake. You will have the closest volcano for this earthquake. You will have USGS, EMSC, GFC, disaster alert for the earthquake, and disaster alert for the tsunami. You also have a link on there for the National Tsunami Warning System. All right? You guys are totally awesome. God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe out there. Sorry this lasted 20 minutes, but when you ask me a question, I will go answer it or find the answer for you, okay? You're more than welcome, Shannon. Have a great one. Goodbye. Kevin, thank you. Holy Hummer, thank you. I've got 3 people in here now and only 2 thumbs up. Come on, guys, please. The more views I get, the faster I can get to go live on my cell. All right. I'm so what? I appreciate it. Thank you, sweetie. So are you guys. Have a great one, guys. I'm shutting it down.